Hello guys, welcome to today's video. If you're new, I'm Jessica, and today we are going to do a shop with me, and we're gonna go into Michael's. It's probably been 2 months since I have done any kind of craft shopping, so I'm pretty excited to see what they have, what's new, and I'm gonna take you along, so let's go. Looks like they have some grab bags, but looks like they're super St. Patrick's Day, so probably not into that. Alright, let's start with some Tim Holtz. Dang, so far nothing looks new to me, and it's been so long. Okay, so this stuff looks new. Some Prima molds, resin. I think I've seen these though. These seem really fun. Alright, let's see if they have some new paper. I'm surprised I haven't seen too much new. I think I have this paper pad. I have a bunch of new paper pads at home that I haven't dug into yet. Yeah, this one's definitely not new. Not new, not new. They have all their planners. But again, these don't look new to me. I'm so surprised, guys. What the heck? So there's one section where they kind of keep the latest stuff, and I'll take you over there. Okay, so this is the section where they normally have the latest stuff. So I know that these flowers have been out, but maybe some of this stuff is new, like these postcards. This is a newer paper pad. Backyard table. Ooh, it's double-sided. Ready. That's cute. These are super cute and summery. Right, then they have these $2 things, 40% off, little mini notebooks and things, but I think that's about all for this move. Some cute stamps. These are pretty cute. Well guys, that was probably pretty short. There wasn't too many new things that got me excited. It does look like they are starting to come out with some new summery things, but I was really hoping to see some newer Tim Holtz or like more vintagey things. I thought that Tim Holtz had some new items coming out and maybe they're just not out yet. But anyways, if you have seen anything that's been exciting lately, let me know where. I am hoping to check out Joann's and maybe like the Target dollar spot, so let me know what you guys want to see, and hopefully you enjoyed seeing what I was discovering for the first time in a couple months, because you know it's hard to go without Michaels for that long. So I will see you guys later. Bye!